Alright guys, I got a little situation. My dad wants me to close out my YouTube account because he says YouTube's for idiots, and I don't want to. So just send me what you think I should do. Listen to Dad and get rid of it, or do my own thing. Alright, see ya. In 3... Stupid thing is won't scroll right now. 2... 1... Actually, you know what? Wait. Got angle it. This is my first video. Well, not my first, but one of my few videos without me cussing. Because I got yelled at about it because my stepdad got nosy and started watching the videos. Because he doesn't trust me. Yeah, there's no point to that. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Probably either later on tonight or tomorrow, since Monday is Clumps Day. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a video probably later. Just gotta get my room set up and everything. Clean a little bit. Oh, you guys are wrong. Bug, right? Skibby. Yeah, there it is. Anyway, this is not my room, this is my parents' room. I just got the computer in here because, you know, we got this hookup thing where my mom's got the computer that it's supposed to be hooked up to, because we got Netflix. I watch movies on there. We got to hook them up to that TV right there. So she has the other computer right now, and I don't want to mess with this one because I don't want it to overheat. So right now I just got it on my hand. And the only reason this video isn't very good, like steady, my face is like cut out, is because, you know, I'm moving it around a lot. There. Anyway, yeah, my videos are gonna have less cussing. My mom said I was cussing like a sailor or something. So she said it's alright if I cuss like once or twice, but not like as much as I do. I'm lucky they just watched one video, not all of them. Otherwise, if they watched every single 2 walkthroughs, they'd be upset. Anyway. Actually, that'll be my new video ending thing. So,